Hello student, I am Satish Tyagi to teach you physics, some important formula, class 12, chapter number 4, part number 4. I have tell you 3 videos of this chapter and I am telling to you formula number 17. Formula number 17 is reduction factor of the galvanometer. गैल्वेनोमीटर में रिडक्शन फैक्टर का फॉर्मूला है. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय के. रिडक्शन फैक्टर ऑफ द गैल्वेनोमीटर इज डिनोटेड बाय के. के इक्वल टू सी अपॉन एन ए बी, वेयर सी इज द टॉर्सिनल कांस्टेंट ऑफ द वायर. क्योंकि गैल्वेनोमीटर में के अंदर जो स्प्रिंग होती है उसका कांस्टेंट है, उसका कांस्टेंट है. एन इज नंबर ऑफ द टर्न ऑफ द गैल्वेनोमीटर. गैल्वेनोमीटर के अंदर जो कॉइल होती है कॉपर की, उसके कॉइल के नंबर ऑफ टर्न को हम एन कहते हैं. एंड ए इज क्रॉस सेक्शन ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ द ईच कॉइल. जो कॉइल बनी हुई है उस कॉइल का एरिया को हम क्या कहते हैं? क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया ऑफ द ईच कॉइल. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल ए. एंड बी इज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. नाउ आई एम टेलिंग टू यू फॉर्मूला नंबर 18. फॉर्मूला नंबर 18 इज द करंट सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ ए गैल्वेनोमीटर. करंट सेंसिटिविटी, current sensitivity, current sensitivity, sensitivity. तो करंट सेंसिटिविटी इक्वल टू होगा फाई अपॉन आई इक्वल टू एन ए बी अपॉन सी, where phi is deflection of the needle and I is the flow of the current. I is the flow of the current. I is the flow of current. N is the number of turn in galvanometer. A is the cross section area and B is the magnetic field. C is the torsion constant of the wire. Its unit is radian per ampere. Its unit. Now I am telling to formula number 19. Formula number 19, the voltage sensitivity of a galvanometer. The voltage sensitivity of the galvanometer. Voltage sensitivity of galvanometer equal to phi upon V equal to NAB upon CR. Phi is the deflection of the needle, V is the voltage, N is number of turn of the galvanometer, A is the area of the cross section, B is the magnetic field, C is the torsional constant, and R is the resistance of the wire, and its unit is unit रेडियन पर वोल्ट, पर वोल्ट। Now I am telling to you formula number 20. Formula number 20 is conversion of a गैलोनोमीटर। गैलोनोमीटर का कन्वर्जन कर रहे हैं। सपोज दिस इज ए गैलोनोमीटर, it is converted in ammeter. Suppose this is the current I and it is the resistance S, and here current is Ig and here current is I minus Ig. Suppose this is a galvanometer whose resistance is capital G. This is the shunt whose resistance is S. This is in this way. If we connect the resistance, then the galvanometer behave as a ammeter. In this condition, S equal to Ig upon I minus Ig into capital G. Again I am telling to you, suppose this is a galvanometer whose resistance is G. This is the shunt which is connected in parallel of the galvanometer. Suppose current I is, then the current in galvanometer is Ig and current in S is I minus Ig. Then S equal to Ig upon I minus Ig into G. This formula used for to convert a galvanometer into ammeter. Now I am telling to you voltmeter. voltmeter तो वोल्टमीटर में कन्वर्जन करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सपोज दिस इज ए गैलोनोमीटर, दिस इज ए गैलोनोमीटर एंड वी कनेक्ट ए हाई रेजिस्टेंस in this parallel, that is R. Then this is the current I, this is the current I, here is the I, here is the Ig, and then and its across voltage is V, its across voltage is V. Here is the current is Ig. Then Ig equal to V upon G plus R. Then in current, for conversion of the galvanometer in voltmeter, we connect a high resistance in series of the galvanometer. Then we find, then this combination is behave as a voltmeter. In this condition, Ig equal to V upon G plus R. Now I am telling to you formula number 21. The formula number 21 is magnetic dipole moment. Suppose this is a magnet this is its north and its south pole, and M is pole resistance, pole strength. M is pole strength, and M. This is negative and this is positive. M strength. M is the pole strength of this north and pole strength of south, and distance north and south is 12. North and south is 12. Then the magnetic dipole moment, magnetic dipole moment, capital M, it is denoted by capital M, equal to small m multiplied 2L. Again I am telling to you, suppose this is a magnet, and its north pole and it is south pole, and pole strength of north pole is positive m, and pole strength of negative is negative m, and distance between the pole is 2L. Then the magnetic dipole moment M equal to M into 2L. Next formulas I give to you in next videos. Thank you.